Hi, I am Dr. K. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to the subject software testing. In this session, we are going to discuss about the topic test case design stages. That means, what are the different stages that are involved in designing the test cases? As we know very well, all the test cases will be designed by the software test engineers or software testing team. Now, for designing these test cases, what are the different stages that we have to come across, that we have to follow, right? That we are going to discuss. So these are the different design stages for the test cases. Now, first is identify the test resources. So what do you mean the test resources? Here the test resources is nothing but requirements. So you have to identify the requirement means now you have to see for which requirement you are writing the test case. That is the one, right? So as we know very well, for each and every requirement, the software test engineer will design the test cases. But see here, what is the second stage? Identify the test conditions to be tested. What it means? See here, for each and every requirement, the software test engineer, first they have to design the test condition. So what do you mean by the test condition that we have discussed in the previous session, right? So for each and every requirement, software test engineer has to design the test condition. Now, after designing the test condition, what we are supposed to do? What is the next stage? Prioritize the test condition. So each and every test condition has to be prioritized. Prioritization of test condition. Here you may get a doubt, how to prioritize the test condition. See now, you come back in the flow. So how to prioritize the test condition? See here, for this test condition we are prioritizing. Now, for what actually this test condition is designed? For this requirement. For this requirement you have designed the test condition. After designing the test condition you have to prioritize. How to prioritize the test condition? Now, each and every requirement will have prioritization. In the document, against to each and every requirement, there will be prioritization. For example, for this particular requirement, the priority is medium. Say, example, if the priority is medium, then the test condition priority will also become medium. Because for the same requirement, you are designing the test condition. If the requirement is a medium priority, obviously the same test condition which is designed for this requirement will also become the medium priority. Yes or no? The next. So what is the next? Yeah. What is the next stage? Select the conditions for testing. So you have to select what are the conditions for the testing activity that you have to select. And then you have to determine the correct result. See, after designing the test conditions, so you have to determine the exact results, the correct results of this particular test condition. Yes or no? And then next, create the test cases. What do you mean by creating? Designing the test cases or writing the test cases. So creating test cases or writing the test cases or writing test cases or designing test cases, all are same. Designing test cases, all are same. Now, first you have to create the test case. Yes or no? Now, after creating the test cases, then you have to review the test case. See, in earlier session, during the topic of reviews, I have explained here. See, you have to keep it in mind, every document has to follow the following stages. What are these following stages? See, designing of the document, the first is the designing of the document. This is the first stage, right? This is the first stage. Every document, either it may be a BRS document, or it may be a test condition document, it may be a test case document, it may be a test plan documentation, or it may be test evaluation strategy document, it may be a defect reporting document, it may be a test matrix document, or it may be a root cause analysis document, or it may be a requirement traceability matrix document, it may be a test summary report document. Each and every document has to follow the following stages. One is designing the document, right? Now, second one is, what is the second one? Reviewing of the document. What is the third one? Modifying the document by author. If any review comments, if any valid review comments, and what is the next one? Next says freezing and sign off the document. Right? Each and every document, I repeat, it's very, very, very important for your real-time concept. Once you deployed into the project, after selection, once you deployed into the project, then each and every document has to follow these stages. You have to keep it in mind. The first is the designing of the document, reviewing of the document, modifying the document by the author if any valid review comments are there, right? So here, during the review of the document, the reviewers may raise some review comments, valid review comments. If at all those review comments are valid, the author has to modify the document accordingly, and then freezing and sign off the document. So here, the test case is also the same. Even test case are also supposed to follow the same stages. See now here. First, create the document. What it means? Create the document means, designing of the test case document. Next is reviewing of the test cases. You have to follow the reviewing of the test case document. Next, if any valid review comments are there, then the concerned author has to modify the test case, and then freezing and sign off the test cases. What do you mean with the freezing the document? Freezing is nothing but finalizing. See, once if the document is freezed, what it means? Further modifications are not allowed for the document. That is called freezing. For example, if the test case is freezed, means after completion of all this, after passing all these stages, the final stage, if the test case is freezed, means further modifications are not allowed for the test case document. If the BRS document, requirements document is freezed, means further modifications are not allowed for the document, right? So these are the different stages for designing the test cases, right? So this is very important in the real-time concept, and you have to remember, you should not forget these things. So, and each and every document, this is an interview question, each and every document has to follow these following stages. One is designing of the document. Designing is nothing but creating or writing. Next is reviewing of the document. After designing the document, the same document has to be reviewed by the review team. And then if any valid review comments are there, so then modify the document by the author, and then after completion of the modification, freezing and sign off the document. So these are the different stages, design stages of the test cases that should be followed by software test engineers, right? Yeah. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos to all the students community and the students groups, those who are searching for the job in the IT industry. And please like my sessions, and don't forget or don't hesitate to raise the comments in the comment box. Thank you.